die. We from different sides, pussy, I'm up that bar. Talking all that tough shit on the gang, pussy, bitch, you gonna die! Yeah, you gonna die. Yeah, nigga, you gonna die.
They threw dirt on my name. They put me in jail for 3 nights. I'm sorry about all the shit that is happening to you. Mr. Palmer looked stressed the day you put on your story that they have 2 weeks to deal with Mr. A. So I gave Palmer, your principal, your bitch-ass principal, 2 weeks to address this matter. He didn't take me seriously. Oh. But when I said Capitol Hill, and when I called him a bitch, that's when he took me seriously and had me locked up for 3 days. The gym teacher, Mr. A, and Miss Singer said that there's cameras in the boys' locker room. I don't care if it's a joke, sarcasm, blah-blasm, doesn't matter to me. You do not say that. He went into the girls' bathroom while one of the girls were in there. My whole class started screaming. Parents, if you're watching this, you call your local bitch-ass principal and you demand some answers. Mr. Saeed, Janet told me that Mr. A was looking at her boobs. Do you understand these children? 12, 13, 14. Jesus. Okay, because he needs to go. You know how much girls he stared at? He looks up at my girlfriend up and down every day and she feels weird. Thank you for standing up for people that are scared to stand up. So my man got some romance in school. You know, he finally worked hard on himself. Finally got a girl to like him. And Mr. A is Mr. Steal You Girl. Oh, it's Mr. Steal You Girl. Teacher of the year. Nobody does it the way I do. I shut down a fight page. I caught the video guy that's recording kids in the bathroom. And now, I catch the pedophile of William Davies that has been teaching in that school for 10 plus years. But he would always walk in the locker rooms while the girls were getting dressed, saying he needed to get something. Girls are changing. Whoops, I forgot my keys. My keys. Looking at titties and shit. I thank all of y'all for clicking through, believing what I had to say. I know I said a lot of crazy things. I went on my Manic episode, I went Kanye West, whatever you want to call it. But there's a beauty to my madness. We the people. We, for the culture, with the culture. Mr. Saeed, man of science. My 8th grade class, William Davies students, everybody that ever been stared at by this sex offender, 2022, we're getting our justice. Because now, like how they crucified me for saying you gon' die, saying Cougar Capitol Hill, I'm freaking making a crucifix sandwich out of this guy and mashing him together with Palmer. Like that, butt buddies. I'll let Palmer be Little Spoon. Clayton look at girls' breasts when we had to do pull-ups. Oh, so you don't need to look down at the boobs. The boobs come rising. Look. You go like this. 1, 2, 3. No, Michelle. Do 15. Do 15. Yeah, do 15. Oh. Jojo, let the world know who you are and how old you are.
I'm Jojo. I'm 12 years old. I'm really cool with Mr. Saeed, one of the best teachers in Davies history.
History! You said he touched a girl's waist. Is that what you said?
Yeah, that's what a girl's son said.
When you go to school tomorrow, you do whatever you like, but just a suggestion, you go to the guidance counselor and you go tell her that one of the girls said that Mr. A was touching. Because now we're gonna put pressure on them. But she's a misguidance counselor. She is misguiding you, and you go there to that guidance counselor. You say what you said to me and just watch her. Because if she signs this now, her life is done too. She's getting fired. All these bad people, they're gonna all get fired, and then Mr. Saeed, they're gonna roll down the red carpet, and I'm gonna be back in the building, you know what I mean? It's the kids against the adults, and we're about to go kids next door with the gang, alright? What grade was the girl?
8th grade.
8th grader, so he told a 13-year-old, your body looks slanted. Yeah. Huh?
I'm expelled.
Expel means you can never go back. You're suspended.
No, I'm expelled.
They kicked you out?
Yes, because over one fight.
So you had a fight, but there's a guy recording videos of a child using a bathroom, which is 10 times more severe fucking fight.
Well, I'm expelled over a fight. Like, how does that add up?
What's your ethnicity?
Black.
Oh, you're black.
Fine, right?
You're black. Yes, yes. Welcome to MAGAville. Damar, give me my hat. When you see a white man that hates on us, they're MAGAs. All right, that's the terminology. These are MAGAs. All right.
I'm Black History Month too.
And when I went to jail, I thought to myself the whole time, Malcolm X will be proud, Malcolm X will be proud, Malcolm X will be proud. What's the final thing you want to say and you want everybody to know?
And fuck this, y'all on some bullshit trying to expel me over a fight. That y'all can suck my dick.
There, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him. Suck it. Brother on everybody in that school. Go ahead, speak, girl.
Me and my friends, we went to go tell Miss Mentor about Mr. Elysiak because some of the students reported him before, but they didn't do shit about it. So me and a few of my other friends, we went to Miss Mentor and we told her about everything, and she didn't seem very surprised about it. So she was like, "Well, we're not gonna take this lightly." But then a few weeks later, about like a month later, they said that we were lying. Well, we couldn't really do anything anymore because they wouldn't let us come back. We tried to come back for another time, but they said that they didn't have time, and we tried to come back like multiple times, but they wouldn't let us.
Wow. Miss Mansour. Mr. A, Elysiak, has been working in that school for over 10 years. Do you understand how up the ranks he is respected by the people and peers? What can we do?
I have no idea, but he needs to get the fuck out of the school because he keeps coming in the locker room for no reason, like he needs something there. Like, it makes no sense.
I thank everybody for watching. My name is Shaw. I used to be a rapper. I used to be a teacher, man of science, teacher of the mother-sucking year. And I swear on God, I will do everything that I can to bring every child in that school justice. And I swear, I am going to get Mr. Elysiak fired. And once I'm done with that, I'm going for the bitch-ass principal too. Thank you very much. Have a good night. I'm going to Five Guys to celebrate, alright? Much love. Thank you, Janine.
All around me a bunch of snowflakes. Is this why the world's so cold? I just keep looking for